Respected speakers, guests, audience, austatud kuulajad. In my opening remarks, I will shortly stop on 3 moments. First on our academy, second about this nice building, this palace, and finally, of course, the conference. Our Academy of Sciences is almost 90 years old. It was founded in 1938. It's a personal academy. It's an independent body of leading scientists and distinguished creative and performing artists who are elected based on their achievements. Currently, we have 77 members and 19 foreign members, including Professor Langel. We also have Estonian Young Academy of Sciences, established in 2017, and this body has 38 members currently. Now about this exceptionally nice building. It is a historic nobleman palace, and this person that's very difficult to pronounce, Count Ewald Alexander Andreas von Ungern-Sternberg. He commissioned the construction of this building, and he is a descendant of a distinguished Baltic German family. However, he was born and also died in Estonia. He was born in Võnnu Manor, Haapsalu, and surprise, surprise, he died in Elistvere. And this palace was designed by Berlin architect Martin Gropius. So currently this palace is nearly 160 years old, and we take good care of it, as you may observe. Now about the most important, this conference and the speakers. I did some homework. Of course, I went to Web of Science, and that is, I updated my knowledge. And as you know, this is an important database not only for scientists, but also, and even more, for science evaluators. So I had a good look, and I was really, I found that Professor Langel has close to 500 publications, close to 25,000 citations, and he has Hirsch index of 82. What impressive numbers, indeed. And I was very happy to learn that about half of his co-authors are from Estonia. And also, that is very important, more than 1,000 publications have been cited by patents. Today's program is very coherent with the scientific path of Professor Langel and highlights the most important steps in his scientific career, includes the speakers who are scientific collaborators of Professor Langel, and also are talking about the most interesting and innovative results. As biologist myself, I am very much looking forward for the presentations. I wish you a successful meeting. Soovin teile kõigile huvitavat konverentsi. Aitäh!